How to add Arabic text in CapCut. So first you want to load your project, and on your project you want to click on the text button at the top here. And then you want to click on add text from the left panel and click on the default text, or click on the plus button right here to add it to your timeline. Now all you need to do is replace the text from here, delete the default text, and then paste the Arabic text like this. And then you can also change the font from here by picking supported fonts such as Amiri font or Noto. You can basically look for them and select or download and use the font. And you can also customize the font size by increasing it, and the pattern if you want it to be big or underlined, or the color as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.